Hello everyone, today I welcome you to get ready with me as I'm getting ready for an actual YouTube video. But I thought, why not include you in this process of how I get ready. So before I say welcome to Blush with me, I want to tell you why today's makeup tutorial is very special to me, because I am going to be using only the products that are either female entrepreneur owned or black female entrepreneur owned. So today's video is going to be dedicated to all those female entrepreneurs who are trying to make a place for themselves in this competitive world, and I'm very happy to be supporting them. And the reason number 2 you should be watching this video is because I want to show you my everyday makeup, a natural makeup, seamless makeup, very light coverage makeup that looks almost like you have no makeup. Trust me, no makeup and the no makeup look are very different, and it needs a little bit of effort. There is also a myth that I want to break in today's video, and that is that only white-skinned women need 2 different foundations for summer and winter. It's actually everyone who likes to spend some time in the sun should be using 2 different foundations, and I will show you how. So if you have seen my videos in the past, you have seen that I religiously use a lot of Mented cosmetics. So Mented is a brand that is started by black female entrepreneurs, and it is for women of color. I mean, women of color needed a little bit of attention too, because it was difficult for me to find my exact match. If you've seen me in the past, in winters I use this color, which is L10 by Mented, and that fits my skin tone perfectly. But in the summer my skin tans really fast. I like to spend time outside, and I noticed that the same foundation does not match my skin. I start looking more gray. If you notice here, right here, I have L30 by Mented Cosmetics again, and it is almost invisible. But there is one very important step that women of color need, and that is a corrector by Tinted. This stick, this is called Rise, and this one has more orange tone to it, and this color is perfect for us because mostly girls with white skin do not have this issue. They don't have 2-3 different shades of skin tone. But women of color will always have a little bit of darker mouth area or under eyes or sides of your forehead. So this is perfect for that. Apply a little bit of it under your eyes. I experience discoloration in this area. So, and I'm not even doing this makeup in mirror. I'm literally doing this without looking at myself in the mirror, and maybe a little bit around the sides here. That's it. It's a very soft, velvety matte stick. It can be used as a corrector, like you see me use it right now. It can be used as an eyeshadow, it can be used as a blush and as a lip color, and a lot of skincare added to it, so I have no issues using it all over my skin. It's actually good for my skin. Has it blended? Like I told you, I'm not looking in the mirror. I hope so. Okay. So I'm going to now use L30 as my foundation for summer, because this is one shade deeper than L10. I will still be using L10. So this is L10. I will use it just around my eyes as a concealer. So the same stick can be used as foundation and as concealers. I am personally a believer of very light coverage. I have no issues my age spots showing through my foundation. I just like a seamless one shade, and that can happen with a very light coverage foundation. You don't need full coverage foundation. Full coverage foundation actually ages you. I absolutely love this foundation. Do you see how beautifully it just blends with my skin? You don't even see it. I mean, isn't that the idea? You don't want people to say that your foundation looks great. Love it, love it. I don't know how many of you saw my recent nighttime skincare routine video, but ever since I've been using Curology, it's not a sponsored video, but ever since I've been using Curology, it's a customized skincare treatment, and I think my skin has just started looking so much better. So off late, I have been doing a lot more of my one-on-one face yoga training sessions for my clients and webinars as well. So as a result, I land up doing face yoga sometimes twice a day, and that I think is the reason why my skin has started looking much better than it used to. It has that natural glow in it. It It's looking firmer than it used to. Take a look at some of my videos 2, 3, 4 years ago and you will see a difference in my skin back then and now. So if you haven't seen my face yoga videos, they are extremely popular on YouTube. Please take a look at them. I'm now going to use 2 different shades of bronzers, both from Mented Cosmetics, and I'll show you why in a second. So I'll take a Vacay. This is a slightly deeper one and it's perfect for contouring. So just to define the cheekbones a little bit. Same exact brush. It's a little narrow in here, so it's easier to contour my nose. So notice that Vacay is a little bit cooler bronzer and Beach Bum is a little bit warmer and 1 shade lighter. So now I'm just going to blend the previous color with this one to make it appear more seamless. And it gives that nice warmth to the cheeks. And I take a little bit of it, just dab it around my nose. Think of it as where the sun hits you, that's where you want it. Like I said, I will be using tinted again to do my eyes, cheeks and lips. So my everyday eyeshadow is pretty simple. I just like a little bit warmer shadow that blends easily, preferably with my fingers. And personally, I have experienced that this stick lasts a lot longer because it's pigmented. It stays on for much longer on your cheeks, eyes or lips. Because usually the powder blushes don't last for very long. This has a perfect tone to it. It's like orangey, peachy undertone, which is perfect to give you that nice summer warmth, flushed look. Love it. I'll use the same exact color Rise on my lips as well. I'm now using Mented's lip liner in the shade Bare to outline my lips. Remember this trick? If you haven't noticed it before, please watch my other video on how I outline my lips to make them appear more lifted and more pouty and fuller. There's another lip liner from Mented, which is very popular in my closet as an eyeliner. Because this is a really nice deep brown eyeliner, frames my eyes really well and it's almost unnoticeable. So yes, there is a lot of mix and match in my makeup and it's super soft, so I get really smooth lines. Like if Mented ever launches actual eyeliners, please keep this formula because it does not budge. It stays on all day. It's so creamy, soft, blends really well. So sometimes I do this and then I blend it with eyeshadow and it blends really well. See, it's almost like it's not there at all, but you can still see a difference, I think, right? So you see it's very subtle. It's not as stark as black. It's perfect for my everyday makeup. So when I was talking about tinted, I forgot to mention that that brand is also started by a female entrepreneur of color, and she is Indian, Deepika Mutiala. I think a lot of you must be following her on Instagram, and I'm a huge fan of her. She's such a hardworking girl. She's come a long way in the last couple of years. I have seen her grow rapidly. She herself is very hardworking and supportive of other women, and that's why I think today's video is even more special. In general, I have always supported female entrepreneurs. I'm now using Brow or Later. This is the High Brow Precision Pencil. High Brow Precision Pencil by Mented. They have some really good eyebrow colors. Again, colors that blend very easily and match my eyebrows really well. One trick to make your eyebrows look more natural is to always use 1 shade lighter than your actual eyebrow color. It starts looking way too fake when you use dark eyebrow pencils, especially your shade or 1 or 2 shades darker. That's just my opinion. I like to use makeup to enhance my features, highlight the strengths in my face. And I don't like it when it becomes too noticeable and visible. Except maybe lip colors or eye colors, but nothing on face that should be standing out too much. So your everyday makeup is not your statement makeup. It is an everyday makeup. It should literally be invisible makeup that just highlights your facial strengths. I'm just going to wind up this look with some mascara from Estee Lauder. So this is my super minimalistic makeup look for my video today. Like I said, it's not just the makeup, but everything else that I do to get ready. I have to make sure that my hair has a little bit more volume. I remember I ruined my hair thanks to dry shampoos. Like, dry shampoos really became popular a couple of years ago, and when I used them, I lost a lot of hair, and I needed something for my aging hair. Something that would take care of my hair fall as well as give me that volume, something that doesn't dry my scalp, doesn't give me itchy scalp. That's when I was introduced to Better Not Younger. This product is a Lift Me Up hair thickener, so it thickens each strand of your hair, so it makes your hair appear look more fuller. And all I do is just spray it a little bit in my scalp. Ideally I do it before blow drying my hair, but this hair is blow dried 2 days ago. So after 2 days, the natural oils in your scalp make your hair look more limp, more flat. And I did not get a chance to wash my hair today to get ready. I like the way it was falling, but I just wanted a little bit more volume in my hair. I can be extremely certain that this product is not going to give me a hair fall when it lifts my hair. Even on the 3rd or 4th day, I use it on the day I wash my hair, and then again on 3rd or 4th day if I want a little bit more volume in my hair, I use the same exact product. I use all their products from shampoo to conditioner to hair masks, and even their hair protecting spray, which is great for ironing your hair or blow drying, any kind of heat treatment. That product is amazing. So I'm very sure about the ingredients they use. They have worked really well for me. Like, even in this one, there is niacinamide, which is so important, especially when you're aging. Then there is caffeine, there is wintergreen leaf oil, there's a whole lot of things. You can look it up yourself. I will link it all in the description below. And yes, this brand, Better Not Younger, is also started by a female entrepreneur that I have been supporting. I don't know if you saw this video, but I have made a couple of videos last year. So yes, I have been using these products since last year. And you will see how important it is to start taking care of your scalp and not just your hair care. Time to make some minimalistic statement. I am wearing Satat jewelry. You can again find it in the description below, but this is a brand that won this competition that I hosted a couple of years ago. I just wanted to support a female entrepreneur, and I had this contest on my channel where I said, if you are a female entrepreneur, started your business in the last couple of years, and you want me to promote your business or to collaborate with you, just reach out to me. I will do it all at my cost. And Satat was the brand that won. It is a sustainable handcrafted jewelry brand, all wooden. All the colors are natural, like all the yellow color in the jewelry comes from turmeric, and all the black color comes from coal. So again, something you should look it up. I like to wear statement jewelry, statement, but yet very minimalistic. So some of the pieces that I'm wearing for today's shoot are yet again from a female entrepreneur. Take a closer look. And just in case you noticed my nails, then yes, this is also by a female entrepreneur. This brand is called Olive and June. Initially, when I received their manicure kit, I didn't think of it much, but when I used it, I realized how they had simplified everything in a manicure kit for a woman who does not have too much time to do her nails. And the nail colors last, like they last for almost 2 weeks. They don't have base coat. They've included the base coat in their nail color. With the COVID situation, I am scared to go out and get my nails done outside, but I absolutely love these colors. They come with a cuticle softener, so you don't have the issue of cutting out your cuticles. Everything in that kit is very thoughtfully made and simplified, and I personally loved using it, and I look forward to doing my nails every 2 weeks because the nails actually last for almost 2 weeks. Before I wind up today's video, I do want to give a shout out to 2 brands, again female owned brands, that have impressed me tremendously in the last couple of months. One is Nazar Cosmetics. There is absolutely no fallout with these eyeshadows. Very, very impressed with the quality of this kit. Truly stands a chance to make a mark on the global platform with her cosmetics. I mean, advertising is such an amazing thing. What you see in Sephora, what you see on billboards and magazines is what you think is available in the market, but there are so many new upcoming brands that are extremely impressive, and that's why I love trying different brands. Yet another brand that impressed me recently, and I reviewed this on my Instagram. This is called Aether Beauty. So Aether Beauty infuses crystals in her makeup, so this is all fabulous, absolutely fantastic for my skin, especially their blushes and eyeshadows are amazing. Again, no fallout. I love its packaging. It never just opens, falls out, never. I have broken so many eyeshadow palettes, but this guy really stays sturdy. And because all the cosmetics are made with crystals infused in them, they're better for people with sensitive skin. So this was my look for the day. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. If you are a female entrepreneur, reach out to me. If you have something innovative that you want the world to know about, you know who supports you. If you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and please do not leave before you leave a comment for me in the comment section below. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook fan page. Do look me up, do follow me. I will see you next week with yet another video where the suggestions will come from you. So please keep writing to me and let me know, what do you want me to make? I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach, and I am here to help you become the best version of yourself. If you want to work with me, my website is down below. If you like doing my face yoga, then you can watch my face yoga videos, or you can work with me directly. The information is all in my website. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.